The biggest revolution in human history has just begun. And since I'm interested in anything that could possibly affect my stocks, I decided to put my research skills to work and jump into a rabbit hole. And the scale what I have found exceeded my expectations by a lot. After digging deep, I'm sure of one thing. The world we know today is coming to an end. But what does this even mean for us, and why should we even care? In simple terms, robots and AI are about to replace millions of jobs, reshaping the global economy faster than anything we've ever seen. But here's the twist. It's not only about you being replaced in your work. Changes can get you fired, but they also can improve your living standard and make you rich, if you are prepared for it. So what makes this revolution so different from the ones before? Let's rewind. Remember the mechanical loom? When it was introduced in the 18th century, workers protested in fear of losing their jobs. And they were right. Most of them did. And for some individuals, it was a hard time to go through. But over time, efficiency increased and textiles became way cheaper. Quality of life improved and many of the displaced workers found new, more meaningful roles in society. In other words, machines replaced people in one area and those people moved where they were needed more. But what if there would be no place to go and no jobs to take? Well, that's the case. The real danger here isn't just automation. It's that this revolution isn't limited to one particular sector like the most of the historical disruptions. It's not a loom or a steam engine. This time, every industry is on the table at the same time. Healthcare, construction, cleaning, building, software, assembling, writing, almost everything that you can think of will be more or less impacted by AI and robotics. That means it might be really hard to find a job anywhere because people will be laid off in many branches and the market will be flooded with unemployed people desperate to find any job. AI is already replacing people in digital space in many different branches and is targeting low-level repetitive jobs first. Why? First of all, it's way easier to train AI with massive data sets from tasks that have been already solved 1 million times before. And because AI actually amplifies high-level workers, helping them do more, faster, and without needing help from others. This all means that for high performers, AI is productivity cheat code that works as an amplifier. For low performers, it's a threat because their repetitive tasks can be done by AI way cheaper. Essentially, the more complex and less repetitive tasks you perform in your job, the less likely is that you will be automation victim. So if the rules are changing, how do we play the game? It's pretty simple. You have to evolve and adapt to the incoming system. You can easily use the changes to your advantage. Just take your chance and learn how to use new tools and become a high performer that outpaces others. Also, firing everybody isn't a goal for the company. The goal is to beat its competition. So when automations are introduced, companies can do multiple things. Imagine that a company needs 100 people to complete the project in 100 days without automation. And with automation twofold efficiency boost, the project can be done by 50 people. But that doesn't have to mean firing half the team. It could mean finishing the project in half the time to start a new one, or doubling its quality with the same team. That's why overall impact of robotics and AI is positive for society. But if you are still wondering, here's a simple framework to help you understand which jobs will be replaced first. Is the industry digitizable? If yes, AI will disrupt it pretty soon, guaranteed. Can AI do it faster, cheaper or better? If yes, it will for sure. Are people emotionally attached to how things are done now? If yes, that's a huge opportunity, because they won't adapt as fast. It's also worth considering that cyberspace will be automated way faster than the physical world, simply because digital automation doesn't require hardware. Physical tools like robots must be first designed, manufactured and scaled. which involves supply chains, engineering, production time, and a big upfront investment. Experts estimate that digital jobs like content creation, customer service, marketing, data entry, and basic coding will see big automation effects within 2 to 5 years. Physical jobs like manufacturing, delivery, construction, and healthcare support roles will take longer, maybe 5 to 15 years, depending on infrastructure, regulations, and the cost of robotics. I'll be releasing more videos soon, breaking down companies, technologies, and supply chains behind the rise of humanoid robots. Stay sharp and good luck!